In a groundbreaking development for the future of transportation, the prototype of the world's first passenger Seaglider is set to begin assembly tests in 2025. This innovative craft, designed to skim just above the water's surface, promises to revolutionize how we travel across bodies of water, offering a faster and more eco-friendly alternative to traditional ferries and boats. The Seaglider utilizes advanced hydrofoiling technology, allowing it to achieve impressive speeds while minimizing environmental impact. As the assembly phase kicks off, engineers are eager to fine-tune the design and ensure passenger safety and comfort, marking a significant milestone in the project's timeline. As the world looks toward more sustainable travel solutions, the introduction of the passenger Seaglider could herald a new era of maritime transportation. Stay tuned for further updates as this exciting venture progresses and moves closer to reality, paving the way for a new mode of travel on our waterways.